Well, yes, so later today, all eyes are going to be on global semiconductor chip maker NVIDIA. A strong set of numbers are expected for their Q3 calendar year 26. Let's understand what the street estimates are. $55,189 million is where the revenue estimate is, which is up 18% on a sequential basis. EBIT 2 healthy growth is expected over here at above 21% on a sequential basis at $36,456 million. For net profit, the number is pegged around $30,880 million, which is an uptick of about 20% on a sequential basis, and EBIT margins too are expected to expand to 66% compared to 64.5% sequentially. Now, while this is the street estimate from NVIDIA, all eyes are going to be on NVIDIA's order book commentary, the commentary on chip manufacturing. Remember, lately NVIDIA was in the news because its CEO Jensen Huang said that they're hoping to make a breakthrough in China in terms of exports too. So all of these comments are going to be important to watch out for. And also a few days ago, Jensen Huang has also said that NVIDIA's order book for FY25 and FY26 combined stands at $500 billion. So this is also going to be important to get clarity on. Other than that, let's rewind a little and understand why NVIDIA's earnings are going to be important for Nifty companies back home in India. Now, NVIDIA's results has set the tone for Nifty IT. A strong print could boost the sector sentiment in India as well. AI demand commentary is key for Indian IT deal pipeline. Strong NVIDIA numbers, they signal good global spending in IT. So this is going to be positive for companies like TCS, Infosys and HCL Tech. Weak guidance could delay AI-led projects for Indian firms. Now, shifting focus to data center. The data center build out in India hinges on the graphics processing unit supply, and if this demand is strong, it means the GPU availability is going to become costly and it's going to become tighter for Indian data center firms. India semiconductor ambitions benefit if NVIDIA hints at a supply diversification. So this is also positive. NVIDIA commentary will shape global tech flows and impact FII sentiment towards Indian IT companies, and an upbeat NVIDIA outlook supports AI hiring and talent demand in India. On the flip side, soft result may trigger risk-off mood weighing on Indian markets. So if you take a look at all of these factors, this is how NVIDIA's numbers will play out on Indian IT sectors back home. Just taking a look at some of the top US tech stocks and how they've fallen off their recent highs, and the biggest one here is Adobe, a 42% cut from its all-time high. You have Meta that's lower by 25%. So all of these stocks could also see a little bit of an up move if NVIDIA, the sector leader, comes out with positive numbers. So ahead of its earnings, NVIDIA was lower by more than 2.5 to 3%. Let's see what happens in the US market today and Nasdaq particularly based on how NVIDIA comes out with its numbers.